This video will show you how to transfer music to your Garmin device on macOS system. First, open Garmin Express on your computer. Use your USB cable to connect Garmin device with the computer. If your watch shows Use MTP Media Transfer, select Yes to enter transferring mode. Next, we are going to add your device on Garmin Express. Select Add a device. Select Add device. Sign in your Garmin Connect account. Fill out your email and password. Once you finish, select Sign in. Select Next. Connect the internet and select Next again. Now we are going to transfer music to your device. Select Music. Select Songs from iTunes library. Open iTunes. Import your music files by dragging them into iTunes. Close iTunes. Refresh iTunes library and you will see the music files that you imported. Select the music that you want to transfer to your watch and send to device. Select Songs to view the transferred music. Let's check your device to see the music. Press Up button on the main menu and press Start Stop button. Select Source My Music. Select Songs. You should be able to see your songs now. Thank you for watching.